Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 battery. Before starting, always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eyewear. Gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Locate your Audi A3's battery. It is usually under the hood or in the trunk, depending on the model. Ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. Always remove the negative cable before the positive to avoid any accidental short circuits. Once the negative is free, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. This prepares the old battery for removal. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out, remembering they can be quite heavy, often weighing over 30 pounds. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with your brush. Now, gently place your new battery into the clean tray, ensuring it sits flat and securely. Refasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap to firmly secure the new battery in place. Now let's connect the new battery. Always connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Next, connect the negative terminal cable, ensuring it is also tightened firmly. Double-check all connections to confirm they are secure and there is no movement. You might need to reset your vehicle's clock, radio presets, or other electronic settings after this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.